Overheating is a serious issue that can damage your heat gun and create safety hazards. Understanding how to prevent and address overheating is crucial for safe operation. The most important prevention step is allowing your heat gun to cool down after every 15 to 20 minutes of continuous use. This prevents the internal components from overheating. Always ensure the air vents are free from obstructions. Blocked vents prevent proper airflow and cause the motor to work harder, leading to overheating. Check for faulty fan motors or blocked fan blades. The fan is critical for cooling the heating element. If the fan fails, overheating will occur quickly. If overheating does occur, your heat gun may have a thermal cutout safety feature that shuts it down. Here's how to reset it properly. First, turn off the heat gun immediately, then unplug it from the power source. Allow the tool to cool completely before attempting to use it again. Safety should always be your top priority when using a heat gun. Proper protective equipment is essential to prevent burns and injuries. Always wear safety goggles to protect your eyes from hot air and debris. Use heat-resistant gloves to protect your hands from burns and hot surfaces. Work in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling harmful fumes. Keep all combustible materials well away from the heat gun and work area. Never obstruct the nozzle during operation, as this can cause dangerous pressure buildup. Avoid using extension cords due to the high current draw, which can cause voltage drops and overheating. Always wait for the heat gun to cool completely before storing it. This prevents damage to storage areas and reduces fire risk. Following these safety practices will ensure safe and effective heat gun operation.